Very delicious. Thank you po sa sponsor natin, Boss Brother Bena. Thank you very much sa Father's Day food tsaka sa birthday food. Happy birthday, happy Father's Day. Ma'am Megan, happy birthday. Happy Father's Day, Boss Brother Bena. Beautiful. Alright, family guys. Ayan po, naglagay na po tayo sa plato natin. Ngayon, share na po sa ating family. We will share the family member. Engineer. Team with peace. Wow. Delicious. Sarap. Sarap yung ano. With coconut cream, with fish.
Coconut cream.
Parang kalawin po sa atin ito. Sarap. Potato salad. Tikman natin yung pasta. Taste. Barbecue. Chicken barbecue. Barbecue beef. Tender. Ito na po yung lamb. Ito gusto ko. Kaya hinuli ko po ito. Paborito po natin ito. Guys, family. Lamb. Naku po. Ang lambot. Very tender. Steak. Very tender. Wow. Hi, family. Hi, guys. Ito po ang ating ulam for tonight. Meron tayong sponsor. Thank you po, Boss Brother Bena. Ayan po. Barbecue. Beautiful. With coconut cream and fish. Pasta. And potato salad. Alright, Boss Brother Bena. Thank you very much for the ulam for tonight. Beautiful. Delicious. Looks delicious. I will reheat and then we will taste. We will have a taste.